In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage workloads across team members. We'll walk through this directly inside your project workspace so you can easily follow along on your screen. The goal here is to get a clear visual picture of who's working on what, and then set up a view you can reuse whenever you need to review your team's capacity. Start by looking at the top area of your project interface. You should see a plus or add icon above your main timeline or board. Move your cursor up there and click on that plus sign. This is usually where you create new views or add extra tools related to planning and reporting. Think of it as the starting point for building out how you want to see your project data. Once you've clicked the plus sign, a menu or panel will appear, showing different categories of views and tools. From that list, look for the option labeled Planning and Resources. Go ahead and click on Planning and Resources. This section is specifically designed for managing capacity, assignments, and schedules, so it's the right place to go when you want to see and control workloads across your team. After you open Planning and Resources, you'll see several options that focus on different ways of visualizing your team's work. Here, find and click on Workload. This is the view that lets you see how tasks are distributed among team members, usually over time. Once you click it, the system will open a workload style layout, often showing people on one side and dates or time periods across the top. This makes it much easier to spot who is overbooked and who still has room to take on more tasks. With the workload view now open, you're ready to create a customized version that you can come back to later. Look for the button or link that says Add View, typically located near the top of the screen, often around the middle or right side. Click on Add View. By doing this, you're essentially saving this workload configuration as its own dedicated view. From here, you can fine-tune filters, time ranges, or groupings to match how your team works, and then keep using this view to monitor and adjust